Key benefits. No.7 repairs damaged and compromised hair, strengthens and protects hair structure, and restores appearance and texture. A weightless styling oil. No.7 dramatically increases shine, softness, and color vibrancy while minimizing flyaways and frizz. Product tip. Mix a few drops of Olaplex No.7 with a pea-sized amount of No.6 before styling for added smoothness shine. The original bond builder. The only patented system to noticeably repair extreme damage, turn dry, brittle hair into soft, shiny, and more resilient hair. Top reviews from the United States. Does not weigh hair down. I have oily type hair. When I typically use a hair oil, I have to wash my hair the next day because it becomes so greasy and heavy. This oil does not do that. I am amazed. My hair is also very soft after using this product. 10 out of 10 recommend.